Hi guys, welcome to CWJ. How are you guys? I hope so all you are doing well. So today's class is all about the box based puzzle. It's a very interesting question. You must pause the video, try yourself and check your answer with me. Okay, so let's start with the question. But before going further, again I will remind you that the video course offer will get over soon. So go and purchase, link in the description box, you can purchase. Okay, so let's start with the today's question. So this was your today's question. Guys, take the screenshot first of all, try yourself, or you can pause the video. Okay, read it first. I will read you with 8 box P to W are placed in a rack, one above the other. The lowermost rack is number 1 and above 2 and so on. Each of the box contain different item like chocolate, candy, ice cream, biscuit, chips, sweets, pizza and cake. Hungry? Feeling hungry now? Not necessarily in the same order. Weight of each of the box is different like 38 gram, 46, 34, 62, 68, 74, 54, 42 gram. Okay. Now there are 3 boxes placed between 54 box, the box whose weight is 54 and the box which is contain pizza. We don't know where it is. We don't know. So what you need to do first, note down the in points. Okay, that means there's a one box which is of 54 gram and there's a 1 box, 2 box and 3 box and the box which is of pizza. Fine. Now R's weight is not 54 kg. It is clearly mentioned that R's weight will be not a 54 gram. Okay, the box which contain pizza is placed adjacent to the box which contain chocolate. Okay, that means ki pizza and chocolate both are adjacent. Now box Q is 74 gram and does not place at the topmost position. Okay, at this position I will not place Q, but I know the weight of the Q, that is Q's weight is 74 gram. That's it. Box U contain ice cream and place adjacent to the box which contain the cake. So okay, fine, U which contain the ice cream and the box with the cake both are adjacent of each other. Fine. P is placed on even number above the fourth. Above the fourth means it can be on 6th or it can be on 8th, even number, and is placed adjacent to 62. That means ki P and the 62 gram both are adjacent. Okay, fine. Not more than 5 boxes are placed above the box which contain cake. That means cake cannot be at this position, cake cannot be at this position, because if we place cake on this position, above cake how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes, which is contradicting this point that not more than 5. Even you can place 5 boxes above the cake, 4 boxes, 3 boxes, 2 boxes, 1 box, but if you say 6 boxes, which is not allowed. Okay, box R is placed at the 7th position and box P is placed adjacent to box R. Very interesting line, that R will be at here and we know R and P are adjacent, so P can be here or P can be here. Again 2 cases, let's read further, but we know that P can be on 8th or P can be on the 6th position. Okay, now 2 boxes are placed between 42 gram and 68 gram. Okay, 42 gram, 1 box, 2 box and 68 gram. Fine, no issue. Now box R contain chips. Very interesting line, that R is containing chips. Okay, fine. Maximum number of boxes are placed between the box containing biscuit and the box containing the sweets when it is possible that the gap between biscuit and the sweet is maximum. You guys just think it, when this case is possible, the only case is I can place biscuit at this position and the sweets at this position, or sweets at this position or the biscuit at this position. Only then I can say yes, the gap between these two things are maximum. I agree with my point or not? Agree? Okay. Now, box P does not contain the biscuit. Okay. So if I place P at this position, then definitely biscuit cannot be here. Sweets must be here. That means biscuit must be here and sweets must be at this position. If I say P will be at this position, but till now we don't know anything, so just leave it. Read it further. Box T contains candy and is placed adjacent to the box which contains sweets. So is it possible to place sweets at this position? Is it possible? No sir, it is not possible. Then definitely biscuit will be at this position. Biscuit at this position, sweets at this position. Clear or not? Yes sir, clear. If biscuit is placed, confirm is here, then definitely P will be not at this position. Now I can say P will be at this position, only one. Till now I didn't draw any possibility. I am just taking out the positive points, placing in the diagram. That's it. Okay. So if P is here, fine, no issue. If sweet is there, then what is the line telling? T contain candy and adjacent to the box which contains sweets. That means definitely T will be here and containing the sweets, that is candy. Is it clear to you or not? Okay, fine sir. Now read it further. Box V weight is 42 gram and is placed at the lowermost position. Direct information. V is here, weight is 42 gram. And there's I think one line, that is 42 and 68. How many boxes gap? 2 box. 1 box, 2 box. That means 68 gram will be here. Are you guys okay? 68. Are you guys okay? 48 gram. Fine. Now the 46 gram is placed 3 boxes above the box which contain ice cream. So somewhere ice cream, 1, 2 and 3 boxes above. Again the same line here, 3 boxes above, 4 boxes above. You take the minus 1, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the gap will be 2. 4 boxes above, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is 3 gap. That means ice, and this will be above somewhere. Okay, fine. And I think there's a one line that box U contain ice cream and is placed adjacent to the box which contain cake. That means ki this is a U, so this will be the U for sure, है ना? And anything else? Yes, box W is 38. W weight is 38 gram. Fine. The 34 gram box is placed above the 68. So somewhere above this 68, 34 will be here, है ना? Above somewhere 34. Okay. Now last line is the S does not contain cake. S does not contain cake. Fine. S does not contain cake. So this is the possible. Now what you will do now, which point is helpful or which point is not, you just need to check this. Okay, so first of all let me take the different color pencil so that you can distinguish this structure. Till now this is a positive information I have drawn. Now the possibility enters here. Now from which point I took, let me check first of all. Okay, so pizza, and between pizza and 54, 3 gap. So where I can place pizza? Think it. Where I can place pizza? We know that pizza and chocolate are adjacent to each other. Okay, so can I place pizza here? If I place pizza, then 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, R will become 54, but clearly it is mentioned that R is not 54. This much is clear. This much is clear to you or not, guys? First of all, that means ki sir, pizza will be not at this position 100%. Why I have taken the pizza and 54? Because the gap is maximum. The gap is maximum. That is why I have taken the pizza at this. Now, can I take pizza at this position? If I take pizza at this position, then 1, 2, 3. 54 is biscuit. below it, that is not possible. So yes, it is possible that pizza will be at this position. Can I place pizza at this position? 1, 2, 3. No, 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 no. So pizza cannot be at this position also. Can I take pizza at this position? Yes, of course. So now here the possibility enters. Here the possibility enters that whether you will draw that separate diagram, same, and then place pizza at this position, pizza at this position, or you can do in the same diagram itself. If you have with the pencil and rubber, you can rub it like that. Okay, you can use these things. So what I will do is, fine sir, I can place pizza here na. So place pizza, no issue. Okay, now gap of 3, 1, 2, 3, the 54 will be here, no doubt, till here, no doubt. Okay, now guys, you guys tell me, there is a 2 consecutive place where u ice cream and cake must be written. So this is the only possibility. This is the only possibility where I can note down these 2 cases in a consecutive way. So this place is left for chocolate. So note down chocolate. Okay, but can you place u ice cream at this position? No sir, because above u 1, 2, 3 on third number 46 will be there. That means 1, 2, 3, 46 means if I place ice cream, and you know all guys that p is already here, p is already, then u or ice cream is not possible. So definitely u will be here, ice cream will be here, but after 2, 1, 2, gap of 1, 2, 1, 2, can I place 46? Can I place 46? You will say no sir, you can't place 46. Then what is the cases? Then what's the case? The case is, sir, for sure I can say that pizza will be not at this position 2. This position is 2 is not for pizza. Then definitely which position for pizza? Yes. So let me change the color now again back to the original color and note down the pizza. If pizza is here, then chocolate must be here. If pizza is here, then chocolate must be here, because pizza and chocolate both are adjacent. Both are adjacent. Now guys, if pizza is here, then you definitely 54 will be not at this position, because between pizza and 54 3 gaps will be there. 1, 2, 3, 54 will be here. 54 gram. Candy is 54 gram. Is it okay? Now again 2 consecutive places there. Now again there is a one possibility enters, that whether ice cream is upside or below side. So again let me change the color so that I can tell you the each and everything. If I take u ice cream, then this will become cake. Now above ice cream 1, 2, take a gap of 2, 1, 2, 46 gram will be at this position. Now let me think. Okay, think it little bit that yes, there is one point, that's p and 62 are adjacent to each other. P and 62 are adjacent to, then p is here, 62 can be here, or 62 can be here for sure. 62 can be here, 62 can be here for sure. Okay, then what will happen? Yes, there's one other thing, that's q is 74, and you cannot able to place q on the topmost position. Then where q is, the only possibility q and 74, because here I can't place q because 68 already written. That means q is here, 74 is here. If p and 62 are adjacent, that means 62 will be here, 62 will be here. Fine. S cannot be at this position because S does not like cake. S does not like cake. S does not like cake, clearly mentioned. See, S does not contain cake. Now where I can place W? W is here, not W. I can place S at this position. That means W will be here, but W have 38 gram, not 68 gram. What it means? Then again possibility will be ruled out. Now I can damn sure that what is the cases. Yes, let me rub these things, this also, this also, this also. Now definitely I am damn sure that means ki ice cream will be at this position, you will be at this position, and cake will be at this position. So this thing is fixed. Now if ice cream is here, then gap of 1 to 46 will be at this position. Now I am damn sure that is P and 62 are adjacent to each other. P is here, 62 cannot be here. P is here, 62 at this position for sure, for sure. Now again think it little bit, that Q cannot be at the topmost position and Q have 74 gram. Definitely Q cannot be at this position also because 62 is here. Definitely Q will be here with a weight of 74 gram for sure. Okay. W cannot be here because W weight is 38 gram. Definitely W will be here with 38 gram. Now which is left? Now which is left? That is S is left. S is here for sure. For sure S will be here. Now only we know that above 68 only 34 gram weight. That means 34 will be here. So this is the combined and complete question. So how's the question, guys? How's the question? How's the approach also? You can just see that, note down each and every point completely here, so that again and again you will not wasting your time by reading line where that line, where is that line. No, don't waste this small things. Just note down in the copy itself. Try to check it out each and every point. Okay, fine, this possible, this is done, this is done, this is done, then this is the final. Okay. And try to use pencil and rubber in for your work also, for just practicing, so that you can easily rub down and everything. Okay. Okay, fine guys, thank you so much. So this is all about the today's class. Thank you guys, thank you for so much. Tata, bye bye. Do comments, and also definitely I will tell you again that that video course offer will get end soon. So go and purchase, link in the description box, and do comment also how's the class. Okay, tata, bye bye guys.